Adobe over the years have been improving in their Creative Cloud suite, and Photoshop is a part. Today I'm gonna show you my reasons I love using plugins in my workflow, and I guarantee you're gonna practice this too. So what is a Photoshop plugins? So this is the definition I had from Wikipedia. Plugins aim at providing additional image effects or perform tasks that are impossible or hard to fulfill using Adobe Photoshop alone. Photoshop plugins are used to add special features or effects to simplify the process of various graphic design effects, or make your digital creations more impressive. Some examples of such plugins. Color correction plugins, we have ALIENSKIN software and NIC software. Special effects plugins are Auto FX software, Flaming Pear software, and many more. Guys, if you are new on this channel, kindly like and subscribe to my channel, it really helps me a lot. Thanks. So these are two main reasons you need to use plugins. 1. Make work easier and faster within some time frame. For example, these are two same images I downloaded from my stock. Zooming in, you're gonna see the image getting blurry or losing pixels. Let's try enlarging it using Photoshop default engine. So I'm gonna go to Image menu, then Image Size. Let's scale it to 1920 by 1080 and press OK. Now see the result, the image is still losing pixels and still looking blurry. Now let's use plugins. So gonna send this image into ALIENSKIN blow up. Let's resize it to same 1920 by 1080 and hit OK or done. When you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day was fun. Now let's compare the two images. You can tell clearly the plugin image gives sharp and detailed image with no blurs compared to Photoshop default engine. So this is very useful if you want to enlarge batches of images without losing pixels within a short time. So you can clearly see this plugin is very useful and user-friendly. There are so much plugins available on the web to download and use them to speed up your workflow, but this is an example to show you how important it is to use them. And 2 and final reason. It adds special effects or features to simplify various graphics design process. Creating some effects in default Photoshop engine sometimes involve a whole lot of techniques, several use of blend modes and series of adjustments layers. Some plugins have several effects implemented into them, and some are just one click, and the effect is done regardlessly. We'll show you some simple effects I created using the help of plugins. Without stock images or overlays, just plugins. So good, baby, so good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. So good, so good. When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful feeling to be close to you. There's nothing else I wanna do. Ooh, and from the fields of flowers you chose to pick me. You're spreading sugar on my misery, and I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real.
My heart is on the table, 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight, just like you do. Feels so good. And I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight, just like you do. Feels so good, so good. With you, the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table, 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight, just like you do. So good, so good. When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful feeling to be close to you. There's nothing else I wanna do. Ooh, and from the fields of flowers you chose to pick me. You're spreading sugar on my misery. And I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table, 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight, just like you do. Feels so good.
So these are just few examples. There is a lot you can do with plugins. Implement them in your designs and graphics works, as well as your retouching and manipulation works. Thanks for staying here. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Peace.
So